Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to help you fix an IP ban, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your needs. So, let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to fixing IP bans? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your real IP stays hidden from any ban triggers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never accidentally reveal your blocked IP address. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records that can link you back to a banned IP. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters when you want to fix an IP ban. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for fixing IP bans because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means any IP traces are wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus when you want a fresh start. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that might try to expose your new IP or scam you, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with your trusted devices for a private network. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can use the VPN on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can verify there are no backdoors or leaks. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's tested proof. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent provider. Its special advantage, it owns and operates its entire server network. No middlemen, meaning they fully control your IP assignments for a more reliable unbanning process. And if you're dealing with IP bans in online games or platforms sensitive to lag, it offers a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest possible ping. This can help route your traffic efficiently. Just remember, it offers less encryption when using the proxy in exchange for speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for unblocking your IP? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker reconnection and seamless browsing after fixing your IP ban. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests show its speed can vary depending on the server. So, which VPN should you choose to fix your IP ban? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest reconnection and the most features to keep your new IP clean. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or want the most control over your IP assignments, plus top-tier value. And finally, pick PIA if privacy and transparency matter most to you, especially with proven no-logs and open-source options. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to fix your IP ban. See you soon.